Are you able to see it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we'll talk about global gender gap, and recently it has released its report for 2021. So can you please tell me who releases this report?
World Economic Forum.
Anybody?
World
Sir,
Economic
World
Forum.
Economic
World
Forum.
Economic Forum.
Okay, and Neha, can you please tell me what is the rank of India? Yes, India ranked 140 in 2021 ranking, and it slipped 28 places. Recently, maybe yesterday or day, in last 2 days, it has this report has been released by, and in 2020, India's rank was 112, and India's neighbor like Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka are doing better than India, except Pakistan and Afghanistan. So there are four parameters on which they release this index. First one is economic participation and opportunity. Second one, educational attainment. Third one is political empowerment, and fourth one is health and survival. So can you please tell me that how many female members are there in parliament, or percentage of female members in parliament? Anyone?
So about 12%. So about
Okay.
12%.
Satish, what do you say?
No, not sure of that. Checking that.
Okay, and Iceland once again for the 12th time consecutively, Iceland is on the top. Yes, Avinash, you
So
were
around
saying something?
14%, around 14% representation.
Around 14. Yeah, so that's the range, 12 to 14%.
78 MPs.
Total 78 MPs. So 78 MPs when we are talking about, so we are considering Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and or only Lok Sabha.
Lok Sabha
Hmm. Seriously?
and Rajya Sabha both.
78 in Lok Sabha and 25 in Rajya Sabha.
25 in Rajya Sabha,
Yes. And
and
78 in Lok Sabha.
okay. So I want to ask one question, and the question will be answered by Bhavna Sani. Is there in which political system we have reservation for women?
Sorry, sir, I didn't know about that.
Gargi, can you please tell me?
So in Panchayat, in local governance, we have reservation of
Yeah, in
one third
Panchayati
for
Raj.
the women category.
Okay. So if I ask you one question, let's say for example, there are 100 population, there is a village and population is 100, and there are some seats are reserved for SC category. So is there any reservation in category also for women or not?
Yes, sir.
There is, there is.
There is particular reservation for SC, ST women in Panchayati Raj
No,
institution.
I'm not asking. See, I said there are 100, sorry, 100 seats, and out of which 10 are reserved for, we are just assuming, okay, out of which 10 are reserved for SC. So I want to ask, in these 10 seats also, is there any reservation for women? That is my
Yes.
No,
question.
sir.
No, sir.
Total one third
Yes,
seats are
sir.
reserved,
One third
including
of the
SC/ST.
seats.
Yes, Animes, go ahead.
Sir, total one third seats are reserved. That is including SC/ST or general. That is, there
Yeah,
is no
exactly.
distinction.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes,
So
sir.
remember this thing. Okay.
So it
So
means
if
in SC category there will be reservation regarding women also.
no, in category there is no reservation. In general, there is reservation. So, see, for example, there are 100 seats, okay, in which 33 seats will be reserved for women, okay, and in these 33, it can be general candidate, it can be OBC, it can be SC, it can be ST, anyone can be there, okay, but there may be certain other seats, for example, SC. So in SC, only SC candidate can contest. It can be male and female, both can contest election. Okay, but female from OBC category or female from general category cannot contest in this category, in this reservation. Did you understand it?
Yes, sir. I understood completely, sir.
Okay, so do you want to add anything in global gender gap? Animes, Rajandeep, Abhishek,
Sir,
Avinash,
one thing.
anyone? Yes.
Sir, India is the only country where economic gender gap is larger than political gender gap.
Okay. Anything
Sir,
else?
And sir, one more thing, the score ranking is between 1 to 0. So India's score was 0.625 and earlier
Hmm.
it was 0.68. That's not a big thing, but the only thing is that the highest, the score is between 0 and 1.
Okay.
sir,
Yes.
with this score, it's going to take another 100 years to achieve gender equality.
Gender equality.
And
136 point something.
and actually, that was related to education as of my knowledge. It's going to take another 200 years for economic participation and political empowerment. There is individual rates for each of the departments, like each of the parameters.
Okay. Anybody
Generally, it's
else?
just
Yes.
that's it, sir.
Okay. So I want to tell you one thing. When you are reading all these reports, global gender gap report and all, so what you can do, you can because this women section comes under GS1, right? So what you can do, you can make small notes also. You can write down this ranking and what else you can do. You can note down these. See, one dimension is there, second dimension is there, third dimension is there, fourth dimension is there. You can add another two dimension and you can write a perfect answer on it, isn't it? So learn all these things from all these reports and index and all, and whenever you get the chance to code these reports, just code them. It will get another one extra mark for you. Now we'll you can see this thing also, so I'll give you this, so you don't need to we don't need to discuss this thing
Sir,
here right now. Yes, Asutosh.
sir, when I was reading about these report from our starting of the initiative, sir,
Mhm.
what is the transparency related to these report? Because any country can use these as to defame another country or can.
See, we should not go in that thing. Okay, that is highly irrelevant question.
Okay.
UPSC will not ask these kind of question that which report is trying to defame India, which
Sir,
report
actually,
is
I'm
trying to do. Yes, listen carefully.
okay,
So, because what is the pattern of our examination? They ask index, they ask report, they ask ranking. That's what we are discussing. Okay, we don't want to discuss all those things which are irrelevant right now. We can discuss those things post prelims or post mains.
okay, sir. Sir, this question is regarding post prelims, like various reports which come, our external affair, which is valuable for our mains, mainly say that these report is targeted by Western countries to those third world countries. So how?
They won't ask such question. They will never ask these kind of question.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
Now we'll discuss about Nilgiri mountains. So I want to ask two things. That which one is the highest peak in Nilgiri mountain? And answer will be given by Ankita. Ankita, can you hear me?
Yes, so I'll make a guess. I'm not sure. Is it Annamalai Hills?
No.
Okay.
Doda Beta.
Dodda Beta.
Yeah, Doda Beta. So remember all these things because we are doing in one way or the other way geography also. So this is part of geography, and we are doing all these things. So focus on these things. These are small things, but because these things UPSC did not ask recently in last 3 4 years, they asked a lot of national park and all from this area, but they did not ask these peaks and all. So they may ask. So remember this thing. So it is known as Nilgiri Mountain also, and it covers three states: Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. And Doda Beta is the highest peak in this mountain range, in Nilgiri mountain range. And what more we can discuss about it? That there is Mudumalai National Park, Mukurthi National Park, and Silent Valley National Park. These three are important. And if I am not wrong, Animes UPSC has asked one question on it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. They have asked question regarding portion of
But
Agastyamalai and yeah, Mudumalai, I suppose.
yes. And one question they have asked also that which one is part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, if I am not wrong,
Yes, yes,
this
yes.
this kind of
That's what.
question, right? So remember these things. These things we'll discuss separately, but for your information, I have mentioned all these things. So Nilgiri Tahar, you must have heard, right?
Yes,
Where can
sir.
you find
Yes, sir.
Nilgiri Tahar?
It's a
Sir,
Karnataka.
Nilgiri Mountains only.
Nilgiri Mountains.
If I have to ask national park, then
Sir,
name at least one
nearly
national park.
Eravikola.
sir,
You can
Mudumalai.
find in Mukurthi National Park also.
Yes, sir. Means that south in the part forming Nilgiri Hills, there Nilgiri Thar
Yes,
is found.
and it is Nilgiri. It's a biosphere reserve also. So remember this thing, and let's see what is there, what else. So these are many species, and UPSC asks species also that which one you can find in Western Ghats. I don't know what is there, but UPSC loves Western Ghats, so they ask a lot of questions. So at least go through once or twice, and once we are doing these national park, we'll discuss them separately the way we discussed right now. So there is Great
It is
Hornbill all. Yes, yes.
one out of four hotspots of India, Nilgiri Mountains.
Yeah, it's a Western Ghats only. Okay, Great Hornbill. So I want to ask the status of what is the status of Great Hornbill, and name those state in which it is state bird also. Anime's one answer
Sir,
you have
it
to
is
tell,
it
and second
it is
answer will be told
vulnerable.
by Ayushi.
Sir,
Yes,
it is
Anime's, go ahead.
vulnerable. Sir, vulnerable.
Great Hornbill is vulnerable. Okay.
Hello.
Ayushi, anything else? Is it state bird
So,
of any state?
I think it is of yeah, Arunachal Pradesh.
I
And
think it's
Kerala
Nagaland.
also.
Oh, Kerala. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh and Kerala.
Yes, both.
Question mark. Yeah, thank you.
Kerala, I think.
Only Kerala?
Kerala, sir. No, both.
No, sir, both.
Both.
Both
Both.
are these states, two states. So I must have said wrong. It is vulnerable, and where there is a state which organize Great Hornbill festival also. Which state is it?
Nagaland.
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 Okay. Now we'll discuss about Annamalai
Sir,
Hill.
one thing.
Yes, one by one.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, Animes, go ahead.
Sir, Shola grassland is found in Nilgiri Hills and Western Ghats. So they are endangered and forms water retaining capacity in Western Ghats.
Solar grasslands are endangered. And second thing, what did you say?
Sir, actually what happens, they have the capacity to retain water. So they forms the basic part of lakes and river water system here.
Okay. Anything else?
So I think Great Hornbill, they are near threatened instead of vulnerable.
On Wiki it is vulnerable. Let me check on IUCN just.
Just check on IUCN because Wikipedia is vulnerable only. Just check it and confirm. Okay. Anything you want to add, Neha?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Prerna.
Sir, Nilgiri mountains are example of block mountains, horst landforms.
Block mountain. Okay. Anything else?
Annamalai is a tiger reserve also.
No, we were talking about right now Nilgiri.
Only national park. Okay.
Then we'll talk about Annamalai. Anybody, if you want to add anything in Nilgiri? Now we'll start with Annamalai. Okay. And it is known as Annamala Hills also and Elephant Mountain also. So if you are being asked in UPSC that this is the mountain which is known as Elephant Mountains, and Anamudi is the highest peak of this mountain, then which mountain is this? So these kind of things they can ask. So remember, this is Annamalai, okay? And Anamudi peak, which is the, I think, highest peak of Western Ghat, right?
Southern
Yes.
Peninsula. Highest peak
Yeah.
in Southern Peninsula.
Yeah, in Western
Yes,
Ghats,
sir.
it's a highest peak. And which one is in Eastern Ghats? Anyone?
No.
Which one?
Is it Mount
Mahendra
Campbell?
Armaconda. Sir, Armaconda.
Armaconda.
Armaconda or Mahendragiri? Which one is
Armaconda.
this?
Sir,
Armaconda.
Armaconda.
Okay. What is the height of Armaconda?
Armaconda, sir.
If you can confirm it.
1680.
Yeah, it's
1680
it's
meter.
1680 and
1680.
Mahendragiri is 1501.
1680.
Sir, Jindgada. Armaconda is second
Yes,
highest.
so it should
First
be
is Jindgada.
Jindgada.
What is the spelling of Jindgada?
Jindhagada. Sir, Jin.
Yeah, 1690 it is.
1698 or 1690?
1690.
Okay. Remember this thing. So this is the highest peak of Eastern Ghats, and in Western Ghats, it's Anamudi. Okay. And there is a national park called Eraviculam and Chinar Wildlife Sanctuary. So remember all these things. All these things are in southern part of India. Parambiculam, Annamalai Tiger Reserve also is there, and you can see. So there is nothing much. Most of what we need to do, we need to focus on map. So just discussing basic details. I'll come directly on map. Okay, and Aliyar Dam, Amravati. I think UPSC has asked on this thing, Aliyar Dam or something, if I'm not wrong. So one question has been asked in UPSC. So these are the dams which you need to remember: Aliyar, Amravati Dam, and this Kadam Barai Dam, Nerar Dam, Solear Dam. It is one of the largest of its kind in Asia. So these things you have to remember and focus on the river also, because the thing is that right now UPSC is not asking question from these big rivers, be it Indus, be it Gange or Brahmaputra. What they are doing now these days, they are asking regional questions from regional river, because they have asked question from Godavari, Brahmaputra, Ganga, from everywhere they have asked. So now they'll be if they have to ask question, then they'll be asking question from this kind of river also. Recently, they have asked question from Tista.
Basically, they're more focusing on the northeastern side now.
They can focus any side. We cannot say that where they are focusing.
Yeah,
So
but
if
there were questions like regarding the national movements also. That was from northeastern side only.
yeah, recently they have focused on northeastern side. However, now they can shift their focus in
Yeah.
southern part also because there are a lot of water dispute in southern India.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll discuss about Cardamom Hills. So it is known as Elamala Hills. Anyone has to add anything in Anamalai, then you are free to add now. Okay, so I want to ask one question that whether Anamalai is a biosphere reserve or not, or no. The question is that Anamalai Hills are UNESCO World Heritage Site or not, whether they are or not. And Abhishek, you answer it. Abhinash, please answer it.
Yes, sir, they are under UNESCO World Heritage.
Anamalai,
No, sir.
Under consideration, I think.
yeah, they
Yeah,
are
under
under
Yes, under
consideration,
consideration.
consideration. Yes, sir.
but they are under consideration of World Heritage Council, but they are not World Heritage. It is not World Heritage Site. So Cardamom Hills are World Heritage, World UNESCO World Heritage Site, and Nilgiri is also, right? Or not? Nilgiri is or not?
So Nilgiri is, but
Nilgiri is, but not cardamom.
cardamom, yes.
Cardamom is not.
No, sir, cardamom is, it is.
Sir, cardamom is UNESCO World Heritage.
Yeah, Cardamom is, but Anamalai is
Yeah.
not.
Yeah.
Okay, now directly we'll switch to, so these are some tiger we have discussed a lot, right? Yeah, what is the status of Nilgiri Tahar? Once again, I'll ask.
Endangered.
Endangered, sir.
Okay, what about Indian elephant?
Endangered.
Endangered.
Okay, now we'll directly see map. So is it visible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so question is that you have to arrange Mahendragiri, Doda Beta, and what else? Isha, can you please arrange all these from north to south? It is Mahendragiri, second one is Doda Beta, third one is Savaroy Hills, and fourth one is Anaimudi.
Sir, could you please mark Mahendragiri? I'm not able to see where is it.
No, I am not marking, I am just
Okay,
asking
okay,
randomly.
okay.
In Odisha, near Chilika Lake.
Mahendragiri is in Odisha.
Odisha only.
No,
Mahendragiri.
I asked Isha. Isha has to answer. Isha, can you hear me?
Sir, could you repeat the question because my network is poor? I'm not able to listen your question.
Okay, so first one is Mahendragiri, second one is Doda Beta, third one is Savaroy, and fourth one is Anaimuti. And you have to arrange them from north to south. Monica Dikshit, can you please arrange it? Neha Sharma.
Yes, sir. First, in the north will come Mahendragiri, then Savoy, and then what do you call it? Doda Beta, and I'm not sure of Anaimuri. मतलब वो Anaimuri, I'm not sure. Enaimuri. Enaimuri will come after Savoy. Hello.
You are saying Mahendragiri, Chevrolet, Anaimudi, and then Doda Beta, right?
I'm a little confused about Anaimuri. Yes, Anaimuri, and then
It is
what do you
last.
call
No, no. First, let her answer, and thereafter we'll discuss it. Yes, Neha, go ahead.
Mahendragiri, Chevrolet, then Anaimuri, and then Mahendragiri.
Oh, okay, Ankita, please answer it.
So I'll try. It should be
Okay.
Mahendragiri, then Chevrolet, then Doda Beta, and then Anaimuri.
Yes. Initially, yeah, Animesh, do you agree with it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Neha, initially you were right. When you told for the first time, it was correct order. So Mahendragiri is somewhere here. इससे थोड़ा सा if we go this side somewhere like this India का map में, okay, and here we can see this thing?
Doda Beta is visible.
Yeah, Doda
Anaimuri is
Beta is there.
visible. Mahendragiri is not visible.
Anaimudi is visible, okay, and Mahendragiri is somewhere here, okay. So it was Mahendragiri was not present here, and Sebroy hills are here. So we'll first of all we see if we have to come from north to south. So first Nilgiri hills will be there, right? These are Nilgiri hills, and then you can see these are almost in same uh, in same latitudes. What we can do, we can arrange from east to west or west to east. So Nilgiri hills are are western hills, and Sevroy are eastern hills. Second thing, thereafter if we come down, then it's a Doda Beta, and then there's a gap which is called Palghat gap, and it separates Nilgiri and Anamalai hills, and you can found Anaimudi here. This is Anaimudi, and Anaimudi is the highest one, right?
Yes.
Yes, it is highest of Western Ghat. And then you can see this is Anamalai hills, and Cardamom hills are the southernmost. So I want to ask one particular question, that why its name is Cardamom Hills?
It is located
Anyone
at
can?
Kerala.
Yes, Dharini?
It is located at Kerala and it is most grown spices there.
Okay. Anybody, any other input?
Its actual name was Yellamala, but the Britishers named it Cardamom Hills because they were plantations were set up over there for cardamom. Although other spices are also grown.
Okay, now can you see Gulf of Mannar? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
And can you see Park Strait?
Yes.
Okay, so there is a biosphere reserve. one very famous biosphere reserve. Can you please name that biosphere reserve?
Sir, Gulf
Gulf
of
of
Gulf
Mannar
of
Mannar.
Biosphere.
Mannar.
Gulf of
Yes,
Mannar
Animes, Animes. Yes, Animes.
Sir, that is Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve only. Dugong is found there.
Yeah, dugong is found. And dugong is vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Sir, it is a
Vegetarian.
vegetarian
Vegetarian.
and sea cow.
Sea cow, yeah.
Anything else about dugong? Because UPSC has asked one question on it.
It's a mammal.
Sir, it is endangered.
And so threatened due to seed dredging. No, yeah.
Okay, so I want to ask whether it's an endemic or it's a, I mean, normal or some, it has
Sir,
been
it is
brought.
Endemic.
found on the coast of India only.
So almost these locations we are done.
So
Anyone has to add
dugong
anything?
and susu are different things.
Shushu is a dolphin, and dugong is
Dolphin,
another.
right?
Okay, so anyone has to add anything in it?
Sir, you can search for one map. Just type hills of peninsular India, and then you will find a map of PMFIS, and that is much more easier to comprehend than this map.
See, I'm not taking that map. The reason is that because of copyright issues. Okay, so I have just taken it from directly this
Sir,
Atlas.
even coaching people are using it.
Are coaching people are using, but
Okay,
see
sir.
nobody knows कि कब आपका समय खराब आ जाए और आपके ऊपर एक केस हो जाए. तो इट्स बेटर कि जब आप जानते हुए हो तो चीजें
Okay,
ना
sir.
करो,
No problem.
है ना. बाकी
Hello,
यस प्रेरणा.
sir, in Cardamom Hills, there is a gap called Shenkota Gap.
Okay. Yeah, there is another is this Jabadi
Sir,
hills
there are
also. Yes, and this is Palkonda range, and these are Nalla Malai hills. Yeah, so from this there is a question coming. There is a very famous temple here, and can you please tell me the name of that temple in this
Tirupati.
Nalla Malai? Yeah,
Tirumala
Tirumala Tirupati
Tirupati.
Devasthan.
yeah. And
East
where
side
is
of
this?
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra
Okay.
Pradesh.
So I want to ask, recently there was a temple in which there's a very huge issue arose, and that was related to the entry of women. So what was the name of?
Sabarimala.
Sabarimala.
Kerala.
Sabrimala.
Yes, Kerala.
Yeah, and where is it located?
Kerala.
Kerala, sir.
Kerala.
A river which
on the
the
bank
river
of
which
Pamba
flows.
River.
Sabarmati.
Pamba River.
Pamba River.
Oh, okay, okay. यहाँ से आप you can see coast also. So this one is Malabar coast, okay, and this one is Konkan. And what is the above Konkan? The name of coast?
Sir, that is Konkan coast,
That is
then
Konkan
Malabar,
coast.
then here Coromandel.
No, this is Malabar and this is Konkan. Konkan.
Konkan.
Sir,
Yeah, this is
Porbandar
Konkan.
coast.
Okay, so almost we have read most of the things in it. So this map is done, right?
Sir, Porbandar coast is right ना?
वहां पे एक अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे खुद ही. पोरबंदर नहीं है, बट दैट इज कॉल्ड समथिंग एल्स. आप मुझे ऑप्शन बताओ तो मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ.
Sir, actually, in front of me there is map and I am seeing that. So there is only one marking which is Porbandar coast and another one is which is written is Gulf of Khambat. Only two things are there.
They are completely different thing. I'm saying that the area of Western Ghats are divided into three parts. So one is known as Konkan, second is known as Malabar, and third one known is that is my
Kannauj.
question. Yes, Suraj.
Kanara. Third one is Kanara.
Kannada, I think.
Animes.
No idea, sir. I just did 3 posts only.
Yeah. So what are they?
Sir, it's Karavali.
Sir, and the above is Kannar court, Konkan court, and Malabar court. I'm not sure that whether it is Kannar or another thing.
It's called Kannara, not Kannar, and it is also known as Karavali Coast.
Yes.
Karavali Coast and from Karwar to Mangalore.
Yeah, it is near to, I guess, Karnataka Goa border near Karwar.
Yes.
Karwar and Mangalore.
And okay, then this is Coromandel also is there. Coromandel coast is in Eastern Ghat. So once again we'll discuss all these things, and you can see this is the river of the mouth of Krishna, and it's the mouth of
Godavari.
Godavari. So you can and what is the name of this area, this water body?
Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Okay. So they just end in Krishna and Godavari ends in Bay of Bengal. So now we are going to discuss some other things. So, do you have any question till now? But remember these locations. These are very important location and how they will ask. So at least what we'll do once we are done with all these things. So what we are going to do that we will do this map exercise once again, and we'll see other dimension also, that how they can ask questions so differently. I can ask, I can mix river with these hills and passes, and also these things we can do. So I can ask that which river lies to the south of Savoy Hills, which one is not to Savoy Hills. So these kind of things I'll ask, because these are the things they can ask now. Yeah, so first question is that how many national parks are there in Mizoram? And Diptansu, please answer it.
Sir, I think it's one. Murlen National Park.
Diptansu is saying one, and Dolly Patak, what do you say?
So there are two national parks, Murlen and Phangui Blue Mountain National Park.
Yeah, this one is Murlan and this one is Pankhui. And how many national park are there in Tripura? And answer will be given by Imja Sharma.
So two, Clouded Leopard and Rajbari National Park.
Clouded Leopard and Rajbari. So can you please tell me the another name of Rajbari National Park?
Bison, I'm not sure. Bison, how to
Yeah,
pronounce?
it's Bison only.
Hmm.
And how many national park are there in Sikkim?
Kanchenjunga.
Dharini.
Sir, one.
Okay, one. And there's a tribe which resides in Kanchenjunga National Park. So I want to ask the name of that tribe, and the answer will be given by Swati Sharma.
Sir, can
Rajandeep,
you
please.
pardon the question? My net is slow.
Okay, so the question is that there is a tribe which resides in Kanchenjunga National Park, and I want to ask the name of that tribe.
Sir, it's Lepcha tribe. I think so.
Yes, it's correct. It's Lepcha tribe. So first we'll start with Murlen National Park, and it is located in Mizoram, and it lies north to
So,
length. Yes.
so not only Lepchas, Bhutias, Limbus are
Yes, there are others also, but I have asked only one tribe, and she answered correctly.
okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So we'll discuss those once when we are discussing that national park. So it is remember this thing, Murland National Park is located in Mizoram, and there is a wildlife sanctuary that is called Langtang. It is also located there, and it's a tropical semi-evergreen sub-mountain forest. And these are the fauna which we can find it here. And I want to ask one particular question, that what is the status of barking deer? IUCN status.
Least concern.
Okay, least concerned. And what about Hulok gibbon?
Vulnerable.
Ankita.
Um, I am confused between the Western and the Eastern. I think it's vulnerable.
Okay, I want to ask about Eastern.
I think the Eastern one is vulnerable and the Western one is endangered.
Okay, and where else we can find it?
The Eastern one or the Western one?
Western one.
I think I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Okay, let's say only Hulok gibbon. We are not talking about Eastern or Western, so we are just saying Hulok gibbon, and where we can find it in India. Tell me the
So
name of
northeastern states, Assam.
in which national park is this?
So Nantaki National Park.
Yeah, where is it?
Nagaland. Yeah, Nantaki, Nagaland.
Yeah, Natanki, Nagaland.
Sorry, Natanki, Nagaland.
Animis, do you agree with her?
Sir, it is found in Namdapha also,
Yes.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes.
And basically, what I was saying, yes, in Arunachal Pradesh and few of the reserves in Assam also, like Dibru Saibova, they can be found.
Yes. Okay, so next one we'll be talking about Fangupai, and it is known as blue. Yes, Animes.
Sir, Murland National Park is also called land of no return because very less sunlight reaches ground, so it is
Yeah,
completely dark there.
and it's like just like Amazon
Yes,
forest,
sir,
right?
Amazon of yes.
Yeah. Remember this thing. So UPSC can ask one question, then it is known as India's Amazon forest. This national park is known as India's Amazon forest. These kind of thing they can ask. So remember this thing. This is Moorland National Park.
So can you, okay.
Okay. And now we'll be discussing Fangupai National Park. Once again, it is located in Mizoram, and many rare birds and many flora and fauna we can find here. So I want to ask that what is the status of leopard?
Vulnerable.
Vulnerable. And what about okay, what is the state bird of Mizoram?
Sir, Mrs. Hume's peasant.
Yeah, Mrs. Hume's peasant is the state bird of Mizoram. And what about the status of tiger? Tiger we have discussed at least 20 times, and I'll ask this thing. Sri Lekha, please tell me what is the IUCN status of tiger?
So it is endangered.
Yes. Okay, one thing I want to ask that recently there's a national park in which there's a project called Reintroduction of Asiatic Lion. This project is being taken place. So which national park is this?
Is it Palpur, Kuna in Madhya Pradesh?
Yes, it is. I mean, you remember everything, Ayushi.
Can you repeat the name of the national park?
Actually, it's my home state, so yeah.
Yeah, so it's my home state also, and it's almost near to my home also.
Okay.
So what's the name? Can you please repeat?
Kuno National Park, Palpur Kuno National Park. It's in
Okay, sir.
Shiopur district of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now we'll talk about Clouded Leopard National Park, and it is located in Tripura, and it is located in Safa Hizla Wildlife Sanctuary. So remember all these wildlife sanctuary, also name of these wildlife sanctuary, because what happens, UPSC asks question from these wildlife sanctuary only, mostly from northeastern part of India. So remember this thing, okay? And it is yes, it is home to 4 species of primate monkey, including this Fair's langur. And there's nothing much to discuss about this national park. Only you need to remember name because there is nothing much in it. Clouded leopard. So I want to ask, what is the status of clouded leopard?
Vulnerable.
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 पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
ठीक है.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
अरे अभी रिसेंटली हम लोग एक चीज डिस्कस कर रहे थे, जो 5 रिवर पंजाब से निकलती हैं. किसी ने गलत बोल दिया था, एक रिवर नहीं निकलती है उसमें से.
दो नहीं निकलती.
हाँ तो जो है, अगर कुछ गलत हो जाए तो करेक्ट कर लिया करो नेक्स्ट उसमें सेशन में, नहीं तो पता चले लोगों को गलत ही याद रह जाए, है ना?
ओके सर.
क्योंकि आप लोग जो भी बोल रहे हो तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है उसको करेक्ट करना.
So one fact about this Blue Mountain National Park.
Yes,
It
Avinash.
is famous for mountain goats, and highest peak in Luzai Hills is Pagui.
Okay. And it is the hotspot of biodiversity also.
Nice.
Next one is Bison National Park. So I want to ask the status of bison itself. Imja, please answer it.
I don't know.
Okay. Abhishek, are you there? Asutosh?
Yes, sir.
बताइए क्या है स्टेटस बाइसन का?
Sir, endangered.
पक्का?
Sir,
Sir,
yes.
I guess it's vulnerable.
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 Vulnerable, sir.
ठीक है. Bison is vulnerable. And what about wild boars?
Least concern.
Same only.
Vulnerable or least concern?
Sir, least concerned.
Least concern, sir.
Vulnerable, sir.
Least concern.
एक बार चेक कर लो. Just check once and thereafter tell me.
Wild
Okay?
boar is least concern.
Sir, least concern.
Least concern.
Okay, it is least concerned. And now we'll be discussing about Kanchenjunga National Park. So what is the one thing about Kanchenjunga mountain?
The first listed heritage, sir. This of both national
Third highest peak in the world.
Third highest peak in the world. And if I say it entirely, it is located in India, then this statement is correct or incorrect? Sandeep, please tell me this thing.
Yes, sir, it is correct, and it is the first highest peak in India.
Animesh, do you agree with him? It is completely located in India.
It lies in India only.
पक्का? नेपाल में तो नहीं है?
No, sir, no.
So K2 is also the. I have read that K2 is the highest peak of India.
This is on the K2.
K2 is
So
different.
Wikipedia says it lies between Nepal and
So Nepal and Sikkim.
yeah.
It actually lies in Nepal and Sikkim. So remember this thing. It's a very big one and it lies in Nepal also. And it's not Wikipedia, it is there actually. I shouldn't say it, but I have been to there, therefore I am saying.
Sir, actually, it was written that it surrounds the Tibet, but that is the part of India only. So I was not confirmed.
Just check it once, but it is in Nepal also.
Sir, K2 is the sir. Someone was saying that this is the highest peak, but I think K2 is the highest peak, which is in the park administered Kashmir. So we definitely claim that area. So we see that K2 is the highest peak in the India, sir.
This is the third highest peak
Not considered
of
as
world.
We're not talking about. So it is the third highest in the world, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
एक बार आप इसको चेक जरूर कर लेना. Just check it once whether it is in Nepal also or not. Just check it
Yes, sir,
once.
it is. 74
It is
kilometer
right.
in. Yes, sir. 46 mile.
Yeah.
Basically in Sikkim and eastern Nepal.
Yes, Sikkim and Eastern Nepal. So confirm it. Now, there's a monastery called Tholung Monastery. It is also located in this national park. And remember this thing, it is one of the most sacred monasteries in Sikkim. What are other two? There is another very famous monastery in Sikkim. So can you tell me the name of that? Anybody? It's a
Sashedam.
very no. It's a very much famous. One of the most famous.
Sir, Rumtek.
Enche.
Rumtek is also there, and
Largest monastery in Sikkim.
yes,
Dugdi.
it's Rumtek. It's around like 20 or 25 kilometer away from Gangtok. So Kanchenjunga is the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is under the UNESCO Man and Biosphere Program also. So it's a biosphere reserve also. So remember this thing. And Lepcha tribe lives inside the park. Remember this thing also. And this monastery is related to Kanchenjunga National Park. So remember the name of Tholung Monastery. And musk deer, snow leopard, musk deer. Recently, they have asked question in UPSC, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the status of musk deer?
endangered.
Endangered.
And what about snow leopard?
Vulnerable.
Endangered.
Vulnerable.
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 Sir, all the
There are
species of
no,
leopard are vulnerable, I think.
no, not all. I think one is endangered and
Leopard is
three are
endangered.
vulnerable. So
Which,
just check it once,
so which one
please.
is endangered?
I don't remember exactly, but three are
Snow
vulnerable and
leopard.
one
Snow
is
leopard.
yes.
So snow leopard is endangered.
Yeah, snow leopard is endangered. So remember this thing, okay? And other are vulnerable. And what else? Red panda. What is the status of red panda?
Endangered.
Endangered, sir.
Endangered.
Endangered. So we have done almost. I mean, we are done with almost uh, 15 to 20 species. So remember all
So
those
snow
things.
leopard is written vulnerable.
Sir, it is vulnerable.
Yes, sir. It is
Which
vulnerable.
one?
Exactly,
Snow
Snow
leopard.
leopard.
exactly.
Snow
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 leopard.
leopard
leopard
is
is
vulnerable.
vulnerable.
It
Okay,
was
so
earlier endangered, and then the status was changed to vulnerable.
Yeah, 2017 only.
Red panda, state animal of Sikkim. We are done with all these national park, right? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are done with all these national park. So I'm going to hide it for a while, and I want to ask one by one that Ashutosh, please tell me the name of national park of uh, Arunachal Pradesh. Ashutosh, can you hear me?
Sorry sir, mic was off. मैं बोल रहा था और सुनाई नहीं दिया sir.
Okay, okay. Please tell me the name of national park of Arunachal Pradesh because revision is very much important. So first we'll do all those. Arunachal. How many national parks are there? And tell me the name of those national parks.
Sir, there are I think 3 national parks in Arunachal Pradesh.
Can you please tell me the name?
Sir, sir, I just need one name. I'm not able to recall right now at that moment.
Okay, tell me one name.
Sir, that one was. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall right now, sir.
Neha Sharma, can you please tell me that how many national parks are there
Sir,
in
Namdapha and Mauling National Park.
What the hell?
Mauling and Namdapha? Okay, now Animesh, you have to name 3 national parks of Assam.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Orang,
Animesh.
Manas, Kaziranga.
Orang, Manas, Kaziranga. Ankita,
So
please
there
tell
are
me.
six, 5 or 6 natural parks of
No,
Assam.
I have asked only the name of 3 national
Three,
park.
yeah.
Now, Ankita, please. Yes.
So Manas, Orang, Nameri, Kaziranga, Dibru Saikhowa, Dehing Patkai, arranged from west to east.
Nameri, Dihing Patkai,
Dibru Saikhowa.
and Dibru Saikhowa. Okay, which one is among all these 8 national park? Tell me the name of those national park which borders with Burma.
Namdapha.
Any other?
No, sir, no.
Animes?
Sir, Shirui in Manipur.
Yeah, but
No,
you
no,
were
I'm
asking.
asking in these 6 only. So Namdapha is there. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir, they're Nala only.
Yeah, Nivedita, question is for you. That can you please tell me the name of how many national parks are there in Meghalaya, and tell me the name of those national park. Yes, Nivedita.
So there are 5 national parks. Am I audible?
Yes, you are
5
audible.
Nokrek, Nokrek, Balam, the 3 याद नहीं आ रहे हैं, 2 याद है.
पलक आप बताइए मेघालय के जो नेशनल पार्क है. How many national parks are there and name them.
Sir, I don't know.
Sir, मैं बताऊं?
हाँ बता दो.
Sir, Nokrek है, and second one is Palpakram, and the third one is Clouded Leopard, and and another one is sir, इतना ही याद है.
अरे ऐसे मत
सर
करो, आप ऐसे
मेघालय
करोगे
में
तो
दो ही
गड़बड़ हो
है ना?
जाएगा। मेघालय
Sir,
में
I
Yes,
अभी
think
only
दो
two,
हैं.
Nokrek and
दो ही तो है।
Balpakram.
Nokrek और
Arranged
Balpakram.
from east to west.
क्लाउडेड लेपर्ड तो त्रिपुरा में अभी हमने डिस्कस किया है, ऐसे मत करो, आप एकदम इतनी जल्दी भूल जाओगे। मेघालय में दो है, फर्स्ट वन इज नॉकरेक एंड सेकंड वन इज
बालपक्रम।
बालपक्रम। Okay, Satish, you have to tell me the name of national park which is located in Nagaland.
Intanki.
Natanki.
Intanki.
Suraj, uh, please tell me the name of national park which are located in Tripura.
So there are two national park. First is clouded leopard, and second is bison.
Okay. Alternative name of bison?
So that I forgot.
Abhinav?
Rajbari National Park. Hello.
Yes.
So am I audible? I
Yes,
said
yes, you are audible.
Rajbari National Park.
Yes. Now, I want to ask, how many national park are there in Manipur? And who has to? Imja, please answer.
Sir, Kebul Lamjao and Serohi.
Okay. And Guni, what about Mizoram?
Phangpui and Merlin.
No, I'm asking Gunib. Gunib, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir, Phangpui, and I'm not able to recall the other one.
Manushree? Jagannatha?
Could you just repeat? Wait.
Yeah, national park in Mizoram.
Sir, Jagannatha?
No, I'm asking you.
So, sir, in Mizoram, there are two national parks.
Hmm.
Okay. So, one is Merlin, and the next is Phangui.
Second one is?
Phangui National Park. I think that's what I remember.
Dattatray?
Sorry, sir?
Yes, Dattatray. One is Murlen, second one?
So, one is Merlin, and the next is Phangui, I think.
Yeah, Phangui. Yes. And Jagannath, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear.
No, no, I'm not asking you. I'm asking someone else. Jagannath.
Okay.
Naresh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Naresh, I want to ask, tell me the name of national park which is located in Sikkim. Yes.
Kanchenjunga National.
Which one?
Kanchenjunga. Yes, Kanchenjunga.
Yeah, Kanchenjunga. Okay. So we are done with the national park of Northeast, and we have done kind of revision also about their location in which state they lie. And this is my humble request that please remember these things. अभी आपको कम से कम 2-3 क्वेश्चन आएंगे और हो सकता है एक दो क्वेश्चन दे कैन आस्क डायरेक्टली लाइक दिस ओनली, तो एटलीस्ट रिमेंबर लोकेशन एंड वॉट एवर मिनिमम डिटेल वी आर डिस्कसिंग। ये आपके 4 से 6 मार्क्स हैं, इनको जाने मत देना।
Hello, sir.
हाँ अनिमेश।
Sir, will we discuss wildlife sanctuary and tiger reserve in future?
We will discuss, but most important one.
Okay, sir. Actually, I was going through, so I found one trivial fact in tiger reserve in Mizoram. There is Dampa Tiger Reserve in Mizoram.
Yes.
So the 2018 tiger census, which was done and found that maximum tigers are found in India, 75%. So Dampa Tiger Reserve was one which did not recorded any tiger, but
Mhm.
it has the highest population of clouded leopard in all over Southeast Asia.
Okay, so from
Animesh, your voice is not audible. It's not very much clear.
he's saying that Dampa is the only national park in India where no tiger found when this tiger census took place, and it has
No, sir.
the yes,
Sir, first, Dampa is not a national park; it is a tiger reserve.
yeah,
Plus,
it's a tiger reserve.
there were three tiger reserves: Dampa, Baksa, and one I am forgetting.
Mhm.
These three did not record any tiger, and plus Dampa has highest population of this clouded.
Clouded leopard, highest population of clouded leopard.
Yes, sir.
So it has
Now,
received the status of a tiger under Project Tiger,
okay, so
Dampa Tiger.
Dolly, I want to ask one question, and which national park has the highest tiger density?
Tiger density. No, sir, I can't recall that.
It is in Assam only.
Orang
Animes?
versus or if it's or
Yes, sir,
Yes,
it is Orang
yes,
only.
it's Orang only.
Earlier, it was
Earlier,
Kaziranga.
yeah, it was Kaziranga. Kaziranga, okay. So now we are done with all these national park of northeastern India. Now we'll start with Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Early, actually the creation of SCO was announced in 2001, and there were 5 countries initially. They were China, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan. So except Turkmenistan, all 4 countries of Central Asia and Russia was also there. So I think 6 countries were there, right?
Sir, only
One,
five
two.
countries are on list.
No, six countries were there.
No, sir.
Sir, actually,
Out
it
of
was
three,
initiated
Uzbekistan
by
joined
five.
later only.
Uzbekistan is not there. Sir. Actually, it was an dialogue paper only.
Yes, it was
So,
preceded by the Shanghai Five mechanism, and Uzbekistan joined it later on. And recently, 2 countries has joined this. So I want to ask somebody, Suraj, can you please tell me the name of 2 countries which joined it recently?
So is it India or Pakistan?
India or Pakistan?
And
Or okay.
2017.
Okay, India and Pakistan are the 2 countries which has joined recently. So right now I want to ask how many members are there, and Subhangi, can you please tell me?
So 8.
8. So I want to ask where is the secretariat of SEO?
Beijing.
Nishtha,
Beijing.
Beijing.
So Beijing.
anyone else? Rajandeep?
So Beijing.
Only. So there is nothing much about it. Just we have to see that they can ask these kind of things, that whether there are any country from Europe and all, and whether there are any American country, these kind of things they can ask. So Pakistan, you can see that there are only 8 member states, and there is nothing much to discuss about it. So recently Istanbul Convention was in the news. So can you please tell me what is the reason of being in the news?
So Turkey backed out from
Afghanistan
Sir,
services.
Poland withdraw.
Turkey.
कौन बोला था टर्की के बारे में?
Sir, me,
Yes,
Rajan.
Rajandeep. Yes, Rajandeep. Go ahead.
So actually, Turkey withdraw from Istanbul Convention, though it was the first member to sign it.
Yes. And it's a legally binding or not?
No, sir.
Yes.
So because there are so
Yes,
many
sir,
nations.
it's legally
No, sir, it is legally binding.
No, it is not legally bound because there are so many nations which has signed it, but they have not ratified it, and neither they are following any such.
No, but
It's the first legally binding instrument.
yes, it's a first legally binding instrument, and it is basically against violence against women and domestic violence also. So actually, Turkey was the first country to ratify the convention, and thereafter 33 other countries also ratified it. However, recently Turkey withdrew from this convention, and there is a lot of turmoil in Turkey because of the same reason.
Sir, it's Turkey or Poland?
It's Turkey. Recently,
Poland
Turkey.
also withdrew.
Poland also withdraw.
Yeah, Poland also did,
Yeah, it
but
withdraw in 2020 June, I guess.
yeah, but Turkey is recent one.
Yes, sir. Turkey is the recent one.
Yes. So these are the things which we were and that were on our agenda to discuss. So we have discussed all those
Hello,
things. Yes, now anyone has to add anything, then please go ahead.
sir. First shortcut for SEO.
हाँ निमेश बोलो.
Sir, truck pick, TRUCK and PIK.
It is Tajikistan, right? It is Russia, it is Uzbekistan, and C for China, K for Kazakhstan, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
P for Pakistan, I for India, K for Kyrgyzstan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is truck pick.
Sir, also, since we are discussing Istanbul Convention, which is related to violence against women, so recently Beijing Declaration completed its 25 years. That is also related to women protection only.
Okay. And these are some terms. So I want to ask, there's a term called bhikkhuni, bhikkhuni. So can you please tell me what is the meaning of bhikkhuni? Monica Dixit. Neha Sahu. Dattatray. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So I want to ask about there's a term called bhikkhuni, and it is related to Buddhism. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the meaning of bhikkhuni?
Actually, it's a nun.
Hmm?
I don't know.
None.
Sir,
Yes,
can I?
Animesh. Yes, yes.
Sir, bhikshuk is someone who begs, and bhikkhuni is a begging monk.
Yes. And what about Bodhisattva?
Sir, they were considered in Mahayana Buddhism the avatar of Buddha, and they will liberate nirvana. They will give nirvana to other people also.
Yes. So we can say it's a future Buddha. And
Sir, future
what
Buddha was Maitreya.
name of future Buddha is Maitreya, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what about Chaitya? Gargi, tell me about Chaitya.
Uh, I'm not sure. I'm guessing. The Chet is the mound type of semi-spherical shape, and it is. I believe it has the remains of Buddha. Maybe.
Animis, is he right?
No, no.
No.
Chaitya is a prayer.
Prayer
Yes,
hall in
prayer.
So it's basically the
Chaitya and Viharas are rock cut architecture. Chaitya is a prayer hall, and
prayer
Vihara
hall.
were
Where monk lives.
Residence. Yes.
Yeah, residence of monks. And Brahma Deya.
the land given to a priest for मतलब राजा के द्वारा दिया हुआ जमीन.
donation land to Brahmins.
Exactly. ब्रह्म को ब्राह्मण बना दो एंड दिया मतलब उनको दिया, लैंड गिवन टू ब्राह्मण्स बाय द किंग. Land gifted to Brahmins, generally by kings. Okay, so we have discussed everything. Now, if anyone has any question, then we can discuss. Anyone has any addition that can also be considered, suggestion also be given, can also be given. So, if you have any, then please let me know. अभी कल आप लोग आए नहीं थे. कल मैंने I have asked certain question. Yes, Gargi.
So I wanted to know whether India has ratified the Istanbul Convention.
India is not party of Istanbul Convention.
No, India is not a part of Istanbul Convention.
Okay, sir.
कल आप
Beijing Convention?
कौन सा?
Beijing Convention. Is India party of it?
That I don't remember. You need to Google it. Okay, so yesterday you people, most of you missed it. So I want to now I'll be asking those questions because yesterday also I have asked certain question, and now I want to ask and you have to answer them because yesterday we have discussed something about